If you're a business owner, you've probably spent the majority of your career really learning how to make money and how to get your business to become successful. But my question to you is, have you really structured it properly so that it can withstand whatever life throws its way? To give you a little brief synopsis, I'm a widow, but I was already building a business with my husband. But because we properly planned for life's curveballs, essentially, my daughters and I, they were only 11 and a half months old when I was widowed. My daughters and I ended up being more than okay because of that planning beforehand. So, because of my life experience and the fact that I've been in the financial services industry for over a decade, I really want to focus on helping families and business owners really get protected in three main areas. And that's tax strategies, risk management, and financial stability. Okay, so when it comes to taxes, most people are just thinking about taxes during tax season, but the positioning and the tax strategy is part of a long-term vision. So let me give you some examples. There's different types of retirement structures, tax advantage strategies. There's an executive bonus plan. There's ways that you could really keep more of what you earn. And there's an integration that happens between business and personal planning. Now, reducing taxes are great and all, but it really means very little if your entire plan is fragile. So that's where stability comes in. Now, business owners can look successful, but they're operating under very constant pressure. And then life has its curveballs. So one month, everything is fine. The next month, you feel like you're in a drought. And then an unexpected illness comes up, or even in worst case scenarios, death. So real stability looks like this. You need reserves, you need protection, you need a margin, you need a predictable structure. It's almost like you can create your own private capital system. Now, once you've got your stability in order, the next question becomes, what happens if life changes unexpectedly? That's risk management. Think about everything that we're already insuring. We insure our homes, we insure our businesses, our cars, our equipment, our cell phones, but we don't insure the most important thing that actually makes the money, and that's ourselves. Now, of course, I'm going to be a huge proponent of life insurance, not only because of my personal story and realizing the importance and value of actually having it when I went through one of the biggest tragedies of my life, but because I've seen what happens when people don't have it. You know, people think that life insurance is just when you die, but they're not considering the fact that you could use it while you're alive in case of a major illness. I have a client who, I have two clients actually who have cancer who've been able to receive thousands upon thousands of dollars direct deposit into their bank, tax-free money that they do not have to give back. They're not working, they're taking care of their healing, and they're able to use this money because it replaced their income so they can focus on healing and not focus on still having to go out and work and make that money. But not only that, depending on the type of life insurance that you have, you're creating a private capital system. Now, I know there's a lot of talk out there, only get term or IUL or whole life, and everyone's talking, listen, I have the IUL, I have term, I have annuities, I have real estate, I have crypto, I have brokerage accounts, I have all of the products. And they all serve a different purpose. So yes, I do believe that a permanent life insurance product is a good product, whether it's whole life or an IUL or a GUL or final expense. There's a place for all of these financial products. And as a business owner, though, life insurance is more than just protecting you. It's a legacy that you're leaving behind. It's allowing business succession. It's able to take care of, let's say, a key person, something happens to them. Your business isn't completely stopped. So for a business owner, when you really look at the different strategies that life insurance and some of these other insurance products can do for you, there is a lot more than just paying money when you die. There's tax strategies. There are all sorts of different things that you can do with it. So how do we connect it all together? Most business owners are looking at things separately in different little boxes, but really everything can work together with your tax efficiency, financial stability, risk assessment. So having that strong structure and foundation is really what allows you to bulletproof your financial plan. So if you're a business owner and you want to make sure that everything is set up with your plan, that if life throws a curveball, everything's okay, income doesn't stop, then check the links in the description. You can either take the 60-second family protection checkup or you can book a consultation.